Bored Ape Yacht Club creators Metaverse Mint rocks the Ethereum blockchain. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Yuga Labs, the creator of the popular Bored Apes Yacht Club collection of NFTs, launched a sale Saturday of virtual land related to its highly anticipated Metaverse project, raising about $320 million worth of cryptocurrency in the largest offering of its kind. Demand was so strong that activity related to the event caused ripple effects across the entire Ethereum blockchain, disrupting activity and sending transaction fees soaring. Otherside are minted in Bake's native ApeCoin, but still require Ethereum for gas fees. A gas fee is the cost associated with a transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. Yuga Labs' virtual land sale has triggered one of the highest spikes in transaction fees on Ethereum, said Jason Wu, founder of decentralized lending protocol Definer. Yuga Labs issued an apology on Twitter shortly after the mint ended. "We're sorry for turning off the lights on Ethereum for a while," Yuga Labs said. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. ApeCoin is striving to become widely used in a variety of so-called Web3 apps using digital coins and blockchains. The idea is for owners to be able to access a variety of events, services, merchandise and games. It's also the governance token of ApeCoin DAO, whose board includes Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian, FTX Amy Wu and Animoca Zhu. Ahead of the Otherside sale Saturday evening, OpenSea said it would accept ApeCoin. While many apps have sold virtual land for cryptocurrency before, most have seen only a small number of users and transactions. A trailer from Yuga Labs shows an ape fishing out a bottle and drinking up its contents before launching on an adventure. Metaverse software company Improbable will help to build the Otherside platform. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.